Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Today's training is for if you have a fresh new account and how to configure the chatbot and live chat and make it uh, to go live and with a go live or onboarding with a minimum configuration. Okay, and before we go to the chatbot and the live chat, I think we should have to configure the admin center because we need to add the agent in the admin center. Yeah, you can click this button and you can click the gear button here. Okay, yeah. Well, we have a lot of configurations here. I'm only going to tell you the agent list and the role permission. And if you add the agent, you need a real name. Um, it's a required field and a nickname and email account and uh, and the role. In our system, we have the role about agent. For example, the call agent, omni-channel agent, even the live chat agent, and ticketing agent, and some role are for admin, for supervisor, and the admin system admin. Yeah, you can choose what it require as you required. Okay, and the time zone is also essential. We can support the maximum file time zone in our system. So uh, uh, that's how to create a agent in our system. And after you create an agent, you can reset the password if you want to reset password for your agent. Yeah, you can reset it and copy the password. So send it to the agent. That's how to create the reset the password by admin. Okay. Yeah. After you create the agent, um, you can also to create some new permission role in our system, and we have some default roles in the system for like admin, super admin, admin, and agent. You can also add some new role, like have the permission to visit the chatbot, permission to visit the omni-channel suite. Yeah. After that, you can customize all the buttons and the features as you required is available for this account for this role. Yeah, this is how to create a new role. New role. You need the new name here. Okay. Yeah. After the after create a new role, you can uh, assign this role to the agent. Okay. Uh, that's how to create a new account and the new role permission. Let's back to the home page, and now we'll dive in the chatbot. Okay, wait a second. Okay, okay, yeah. There are lot of configurations here, and the first one is to click the chatbot management in the management is at the bottom of the configuration of the list. Okay, click it and choose the one you want to configure. Um, because this account have a tree chatbot license, so there will be a tree license here, chatbot here. Uh, for example, the first one could be setting. You can set the chatbot name, add some note, and which language you want to prefer to this chatbot to answer. Yeah, like the automatic response uh, and the satisfaction survey. It can support the different language. Okay, and you can also set some text here. There's some default settings here. You can use the default one, I think. And after that, you need to link the knowledge base. Yeah, if you just the system have three default knowledge base because there's just three set like a chatbot, and if you want to create a new one, it's also available. Yeah, KB4. Okay, and if you want to open this, yes, that means if you open this, the two knowledge base will convert it together with the one and the two knowledge base available for this chatbot. Okay, you can also separate the two uh, separate uh, the two knowledge base as well. Now I'm linked to. Okay, now the these two knowledge base information and the Q&A are available for this chatbot. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And the last one for the chatbot management is who can configure this chatbot. Yeah. Only the agent or admin under this page, you can add a new one, can have the permission to configure the chatbot. Yeah, it's only for supervisor and for admin only. Okay. Yeah, this is the first step, and after that you just finish the first the link to the knowledge base, and you can configure the chatbot one by one. If you for example this first one, the second one. Okay, let's go to the first one. Today I will go only tell you the one round chat first. Okay, we will have a chart. We have a chart here. You can configure by yourself, and after config, you can upload all the upload some upload some Q&A in the system, and you can also create a new one. For example, add a new question, and it belongs to the testing. You can also change it to another category, and the standard question here, and the familiar question. At the beginning, you may don't have some familiar question. That means one question maybe customer will ask in separate different ways. That's it. The different way is the similar question. Okay, and for the beginning, I think we can choose the intelligent matching. Yeah, I think this is the most popular one, and you can. There's a valid time for this Q&A. Okay, let's let's use some items already have. Okay, maybe for the first one, I want to borrow money. Yeah, I want to borrow money. This is the standard question. And for this one, because customer already use the knowledge base, and you can find 10 similar questions. Loan me some funds. Can I get a loan from PayPal Pay? That is the similar question to I want to borrow money. Yeah, that's how that is a similar question. You can also add some picture, a link, a video, and some emoji in the answers. Okay, when customer asks questions like this one and this 10, the chatbot will reply this one, this answer. Okay, yeah, you can also find some user dates, how many hits. That means how many customer asked some questions, how many answer gave feedback to the customers. Okay, yeah, and you can also upload all your questions. Yeah, I will give you a checklist about how to use this template. Okay, yeah, I think that's the one round chat, and okay, after that, um, yeah, some triggering keywords. Yeah, triggering keywords. That means if you want to transfer the conversation from a chatbot to a live chat, you need to configure some keywords here. For example, some like agent, talk to an agent, and some sentence include the keywords can also can all can be transferred to agent. Okay, and the keywords for alert, this is for some for some sensitive words. Yeah, this can be used here. Okay, yeah, I think this is the basic uh translate another one. No, okay. I think that's the basic information to initiate a chatbot. Okay, let's back to the home page. And in the live chat, yeah, we will teach you how to combine the chatbot into the live chat, and how to configure the front page and the reception page, and also and the features in Workbench. Okay, yeah. If the agent have the permission to about of the live chat, the agent name will be see here. Yeah, you can have a skill group here, and you can add all add the agent into the specific group. Okay, yeah. After that, you can create a docking channel. Um, for by default, there are only two default channels here. One is for desktop, another one is for mobile site. Other channel, you should to click this add channel button, and to click a new to create a new one. Yeah, you can find all the guide in the you can find all the guide how to create a new channel. Yeah. Okay. And for visitor setting, and this is only for the visitors only. Okay, let me go to the second one. Yeah, for customer visit your website, and how would you like to your icons, your floating icons or hover looks like? You can change it. You can give your customer you can custom a icon or a picture, upload a picture here, and you can set up the locations where it can the lower right or lower left, and how big and this how big this icon looks like. Yeah, that all be configured here. After that, you can configure the chatbot. Yeah, this is the chatbot, the chat box. Okay, you can configure the same color. This is the same color here, and the desktop site page, how big this is, and mobile site component is a full screen display, half screen display. It all become available for you, and the navigator bar setting. This is a navigator bar setting. Uh, you can set two colors here, and it will change. Change the system will change automatically. Okay, and what name you want the agent to display? Yeah, for example, this is who we want. Maybe this is agent. You can display the nickname or the real name. It's all available. Okay. Yeah, you can also upload your enterprise logo here. It will be shown in this page as well, and all the buttons choice available for you. Okay. Yeah, this is for there are two tag. For one is for bot reception. If a customer talk to a chatbot, what buttons you want to show. For example, the satisfaction, ticketing, emoji. Do you want these buttons available for customer when customer talk to a chatbot? And you can also configure the agent if a customer transfers the call, transfers a live chat to agent. What buttons will show for customers? That's all available for you to configure. Okay, And you can also have a sidebar. This is a sidebar. If you don't want it, just click this one. Yeah, this will no side. This one will closed. Okay, and you can also, if you want this sidebar is available, you can set uh, different tags. For example, the first one is testing, another one is visiting visitors. You can keep it by yourself. This is a URL. This is the agent card. You can add a new one. Yeah, custom or the custom URL. Yeah. Okay. This is for this is for visitor setting. Yeah. Another one is for reception setting. That means let me go to the demo first. That means how could the conversation transfer to an agent. Okay, the first one is the trigger conditions. That means if you have different channels, we can configure the different channels to transfer to different agent. So maybe this rule is only available for something like live chat or website or mobile app or WhatsApp. Yeah, you can configure here. Yeah, and only this channel you config can use these rules. Okay. Yeah. With the site setting and what's the language you want to show in the customer side, you can choose this one. And the queue with the pattern, yeah, the quote with the pattern, we can config the pattern you want to use. You already have some visitor pattern in the visitor setting. You can connect the patterns here. Yeah. And agent reception mode. There's some strategy for to serve your customers. This first one means chatbot first and then transfer to agent, and the second one is mean agent first, no chatbot, and agent first and can transfer to a chatbot, and this one is means agent only, no chatbot, and this one is for chatbot only. Okay, cannot transfer to agent. Okay, and this one is for bot setting. That's it. We already configured the chatbot at the beginning of this session, and now you can choose which chatbot you want to use, and what's the bot nickname you want to show, and what's the first greeting sentence you want to show, and for different channels or different, do you want send some uh, image or video or file at the beginning? Yeah, that all become available here. Okay, and after the service, do you want to have satisfaction? You can configure the satisfaction here. Yeah. After agent close the session, customer will receive the satisfaction survey in our system. Okay, I think that is for the reception setting, and reception setting will link to the visitor setting, and link to the chatbot. Okay, I think this is one. This configuration is the essential and crucial essential configuration in your system. Okay, and another one is workbench. For workbench, we have a workbench for live chat. I will click this one to show you. Wait a second. Uh, that's that's all the configurations uh, for the agent to show. Yeah, this is for live chat, and what you want to show in the page, OB can configure here. I'm not going to go through all the features here. You can uh, close some button and enable some button to to try the difference of each features. Okay, and the chat, this one is very important in our system, and we have the intelligent routing setting here. That means you can have some automatic triggers in our system. For example, when some information or chat from this channel, and this chat will assign to this skill group service customer service group automatically. That's the trigger how to use it. So you can configure a lot of triggers in our system, and uh, the chat can match these triggers will assign to different group automatically. Yeah, that's how to use the triggers. And if you don't have so many complicated rules at the beginning, you can also use this two one. The first one is the saturation. That means is assigned by the workload, and the second one is by polling. That's for average. So this time I uh, gave the conversation to agent A. Next time agent B. Next time agent A again, and next time agent B again. Okay, and for example, if customer for agent A have 10 conversation at that time, and the agent B have 7 conversation that time. If we trace this one to the saturation, and the next conversation will transfer to agent A because the agent A have a lower workload. Okay, and you can also use the recent inquiry. That means if customer visit the website before, already have some history to visit our website before. For example, maybe 5 hours 5 hours earlier. So we can set validation, and it will transfer to the recent agent automatically. Okay, and we also have the queue settings here for different for VIP, for apported and timeout, and we can also have some for example, when customer in the queue, what customer will see, and how how many time we will see the information. uh, for example, in a queue, and when a customer waiting a long time, maybe 2 minutes or 5 minutes, but the customer will receive information like this: I have added you to the VIP queue. You are number maybe 5 in the queue. Still need to wait, and that's for the queue. And we can also set this by channel. Yeah, we can have a general setting. You can set by channel, by different channel, and we also have a timeout transfer. Okay, and if you want to try to guarantee the agent don't see some sensitive words, for like some bad words, you can upload or import all the bad words into system. So when agent want to send some bad words, the system will forbid the agent to send them. And you can also to add some sensitive words by customer. When customer sends some sensitive words, you can receive some notification, and in your dashboard. Okay. Yeah, you can also set satisfaction survey here after the every channel, every uh, service. Okay. Yeah, let's go to the workbench here. Yeah, let's simulate a customer if I want to talk to a customer. Yeah, this is a simulate customer. Yeah, this is the FAQ in our system, and you can configure here. You can configure here. Yeah, uh, if you want to configure here, you can add some buttons like this one. It's all available for you. and for customer will seem like this. Okay, and all the informations are come from the knowledge base. Yeah, you will select the questions. It's only the information from the knowledge base, all the information from knowledge base. Okay, and you want already to open this guidance map. Okay, and you can add some buttons here, buttons or the main categories. Okay, that's the FAQ. And if I transfer to the agent, yeah, uh, Singapore customer, that's from the configuration. You can uh, you can you also you can also configure it in a different to display in a different way. Yeah, I think if you want to change some, you add some auto reply here. You can add it in different channel. When customer come in, like this one, like this sentence, you can find this sentence. You can change it by different channels. That's the auto reply in the first time, in the first greeting message. And you can also add some quick reply for everyone. For every agent, he can add some quick reply, and when for example this one, but like this, and it can be used for agent quickly, like this way. Quick reply, you can find a quick reply, and I'll add one, add a new one, like this one. uh, you can send it automatically. It's very quick. It's a quick send. You don't need to add the information, to tap in the information again in the system. Okay. I think that's all the information about how to uh, create uh, the chatbot and the live chat with a different agent as a in a fresh account.